Okay, we're in Taipa village. We're gonna do a little walk. Our last video we kind of walked through this little maze a little bit, and you can kind of see the coolness of it. And this time we're gonna walk over this way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we walk over that way, this is usually a really busy tourist area, but it's COVID time, so there's not much going on, but you can see, at least you get to see of how little things are going on. And what we're going to do next is we're going to walk through this little park, and then we're going to follow through. Actually, we're going to walk. So this little park sometimes has events, but it's kind of a COVID era, so there's not much going on these days. So everything is a little bit quiet. And this is just basically a big maze of alleys. And then that's our tourist here again. It's the name of one of the alleys if you're curious to see it. Maybe some other time I'll walk down. I have some other videos that are similar, so I don't want to focus too much on it. And this right here is a big dragon. And actually you can see this dragon, you can follow it, and it's basically the wall. Let's walk down a little bit. So yeah, that's a big one. Okay, so sometimes they'll have cultural excursions and performances. All right. So we're gonna follow this way. You can see our dragon feet. So let's just kind of take a look. So yeah, they'll have like little stuff in here, so sometimes they'll have like little festivals or music concerts. But again, it's like COVID era, so everything is more or less closed at this time. Not closed, but it's not quite the same like everywhere in the world at this particular moment in time. Here's our dragon tail and foot. So it goes all the way down. Then in the background you can see the Galaxy Casino up there as well. So Taipa village, let me just see. So there's parts of Galaxy and there's more construction. So I don't know what Galaxy is going to be totally, but it's going to be something quite a bit larger than it already is. But anyways, kind of a cool building. Rooftop up there. Okay. I had another video where I walked all the way down this one. Actually, it was a 3-part video. But I'm just going to walk down partially to this Argentinian restaurant. But on the way, we're going to film some other cool stuff in here. Nice temple. And then the temple is right here, but it's closed. But you can see that they always maintain it. Very narrow road, as you can see. Actually, this is kind of a cool one. This is pretty well known, but I've never been in it myself. There's a big panda on it. The name is in Chinese, but I know it's popular and people like to go there, especially among the Chinese population. And then we got some artwork here, just for references. Calçada do Quartel. And then for the name of this street is it's right there. Derecho Carlos Eugenio Premier Bar. That one's a good place to have a beer or whiskey. This one is fish. La Cicera. It's like maybe Italian, maybe? kind of seafood and pasta and clams. Castico Portuguese restaurant. I've eaten there. All the Portuguese restaurants are great. But everybody has their own favorites, of course. I've always liked this one right here because there's kind of an American hotel vacancy air conditioning that you'd see in the United States. And then we're gonna end it in a minute here. There's an Argentinian restaurant, El Gacho. Then we're gonna create another video that goes down this street because I've never filmed in that one, in that particular one. But before we do, we're just gonna walk down and just see what's in this little space. This is another little space that I never go down. Huh. It's kind of cool. So this is basically like a little, oh, this is more of the same restaurant. Yeah, it's like a little place that's just purely residential. Look at that balcony, it's kind of cool. And then it goes right up against this other temple over here as well. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end it right here. So we're gonna end it, and then just so you can see exactly where we are, go right there. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.